This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, the newest sideloadly, correct Apple drivers, and an admin account. Plug your device with a working data cable, unlock it, and tap Trust if prompted. Once done, note the device you did and have the IPA and Apple ID credentials available. This is not optional. Missing one element causes the Guru Meditation Error. Make sure iTunes or related services aren't blocking the connection. Then open Sideloadly and confirm the device appears before proceeding. You now focus on signing and configuration. Load the IPA, pick Apple ID signing, and enter credentials. If Sideloadly recommends use, host toggle it. Change the bundle ID to avoid conflicts and remove old provisioning profiles from the device. Clear temporary caches and restart Sideloadly to apply changes. Make sure you enable verbose logging so you can read the console output. This tells you exactly where the process fails. If a prompt appears about certificates, follow it. Don't skip certificate installation steps. You start the sideload and watch the progress. When it completes, you should see the app on the device. Once installed, reboot the device to finalize provisioning and open the app to confirm launch. If you hit the Guru Meditation Error, do not panic. Revoke old certificates in your developer account, reset Apple ID tokens in Sideloadly, and try a fresh sign with a new bundle ID. That single troubleshooting tip, revoke and reissue signing artifacts, resolves most stubborn Guru meditation failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.